How to fix Epson ET8550 paper jam issue. Step 1. Open the front cover and lock it in place. Step 2. Look and remove any jammed paper found. Step 3. Do not touch the white flat cable translucent film or transportation lock inside the printer as it can cause malfunction. Step 4. Once done, close the scanner unit. Step 5. Remove the rear cover of the printer. Step 6. Look for jammed paper inside and remove if you find any. Step 7. Next, remove the jammed paper from the rear cover. Step 8. Insert the rear cover and close the output tray. Step 9. Pull out the paper cassette and remove any jammed paper found. Step 10. Align the edges of the paper and insert the paper cassette into the printer. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at +1 87746900297 +44 800 0548 150.